So, to simplify this, first of all we want to multiply times 5 times this. 8 plus 7 is 15, so this is 5 times 15. And 15 times 5 is 75. So this one equals 75. Number 26. Number 28, 5 minus 5 is 0, so this is 3 times 0, which is 0. Five minus 3, the quantity, times 4. Well, 5 minus 3 is 2, so this is 2 times 4, which is 8. This next one is 4 times 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0, so this is 4 times 0, which is 0. Anything times 0 is 0. This next one is 5 times the quantity 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 adds up to 8. So 5 times 8 is 40. So that one simplifies to 40. For number 36, we got 4 plus 3 times 4. Well, that's 7 times 4, which is 28. Next we got 4 times 5 times 3. So this is 4 times 15, which is 60. Finally, t times b minus w. We have to use the distributive law. The distributive law says that multiplication distributes over addition and subtraction. So this is equal to t times b. T times b, I'll use a little dot instead of the x for times. In algebra we don't like this for multiplication. Then minus t times w. Minus t times w. So that's all you can do to simplify this one, or multiply it out. Technically this is simpler than this, but that's all we can do. Now for number 42, up here, we've got q plus r times 0. Anything times 0 is 0. So anything times 0 is 0. Even q plus r. So this is equal to 0. Yeah, d minus p times q. Well, the q distributes through the parentheses over the minus sign. So that's d times q minus p times q. That's the distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Anything plus 0 is itself, so this just equals a. If you add 0 to something, it doesn't change it. That's why 0 is called the additive identity element. Anything, 0 divided by anything is still 0. I mean, think of it. Half of 0 is still 0. A third of 0 is still 0. 0 divided by 3, remember, is the same as taking a third of 0. That shouldn't be too surprising. We have 1 times 23. 1 times anything is the anything. So 1 times 23 is 23. 123 adds up to 23. Anything divided by 1 is itself. 11 divided by 1 is just equal to 11. Well, let's move this. So 11 divided by 1, anything divided by 1 is itself. So that equals 11. And anything divided by 0 is undefined. You cannot divide by 0. It is undefined.